Hello, Masha. Hello. Masha, I know that you've got very important result of your child about using the Baobab Life. Today is unexpected day because you brought in the office today this black bag and that box. I was interested what you brought and I saw that box is full of medicine, inhaler and this medical card. I'm so excited. We have snow. We are in Simferopol. Now is 15th of January. Everything is very beautiful, nearly like in Siberia. Tell Masha why you brought all of this. Of course I know, but people who listening doesn't know what's going on. But you brought this box and your son, what did he say to you when you took away this box from your house? He said, "Mommy, this is my medicine. Why do you take them? Do you want to drop them in a rubbish bin?" I said, "Yes, I want to drop them in a rubbish bin." He asked me, "This is because we have Baobab Life?" I said, "Yes." So tell us why this medicine is here now. My son now is 6 years old and this is his medical card. He was born in 2005 and for you to understand this everything was written for 3 years. So not from the time when he was born but from first time when he got ill. First time he got ill when he was 1 year and 7 months old and since we have got this medical card. Every 2 months we were in a hospital in a pulmonology department because he had heavy bronchitis. I can say that these 3 years when he got ill was the worst years in my life, like for the mother. Of course, because my son already felt in hospital like at home. So he was playing, jumping on the bed, but in a vein he's had a catheter. So the doctors just didn't want to make injection every single time because it's painfully, and they just put a catheter. And every 2 months they put a catheter in a vein. He very cried every time. It's a horrible. After we got Baobab Life, he started to use this product in June 2010. He got ill first time after 4 months. And before, when he got ill, he used all the time antibiotics and hormone therapy, but this time he used inhaler only. Next time he got ill after 4 months again, but not after 2, how it was before. And during this illness he was using only Baobab Life. Now he is no longer ill. I can show you the last record in a medical book when he visited a doctor last time. It's 2nd of March 2011. Since we visited only dermatologist, so medical card is blank. More than a year we have not been to the doctor. It's up to you if you want this for your children or Baobab Life for you and for your children. This is your choice. Thanks a lot, Masha, but we have winter. Look how it's beautiful here. I just want to show you the beauty that there is. Masha, I wish your son stay healthy, enjoy the winter, enjoy the snowballs, good luck and thank you.
Которая здесь есть. Машенька, здоровья твоему ребенку. И пусть он радуется и зиме, и бегает на санках, катается на санках и бегает в снежочке. И чтобы только радовало тебя. Удачи.
Спасибо.